Okay, let me give you some background story. You're looking at the Metal and Wood channel. I'm Steve. I'm trying to recover some stolen chainsaws. They went from Mississippi up to Indiana. The story goes they were sold. Of course, I blasted everything on the internet about this whole case, and I guess they realized they were caught up in a problem. So I guess they came back, and I don't think anybody quite believes me about the situation. It's all in stories. Yeah, they're home. Okay, here, let me go ahead. Yeah, they're home. Okay, good. So I should be able to get my chainsaws back. So start your camera, darling. Just stop right here. Don't go further. You can turn around after I get back. Make sure you can film. You might have to pull forward. Hello. 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 Just trying to get some chainsaws. Just trying to get 2 black chainsaws from you. Do you have them here?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey.
Do you want me to come with you to help you carry them? Or?
Nope.
Okay.
You sit right here and wait till the Magnolia PD get here. Have a seat back there. The one I done that port work on,
Yeah.
the cylinder's on, it's there.
Okay. I'll send it back to you if you want.
I ain't got the piston in it.
That's fine. It's okay. It's no worries. No, I'm not gonna make a big deal about that either way. I'm heading over there right now to the police. Okay. That's where I'm going to right now. Okay. So that's okay. I'm gonna leave.
No.
I'm gonna leave.
No.
I'm gonna leave. I'm a free person. I'm going over to the police myself right now. I've got myself on video record. I'm going to the police station right now. To the Magnolia Police. You got it on video? I'm going to head right over to the Magnolia Police. You've given me 2 Noker chainsaws. The serial numbers look like they're Noker chainsaws. I haven't run the numbers. I'm going straight to the Magnolia Police. So we're all good. At this point, as far as these 2 chainsaws are now in my hands.
Alright, so now questions.
Let's not have any questions. Unless you want to tell me where you had those sitting out for me the other day, I don't have any answers for you.
Down there in the shop.
Okay.
Shop, big shop.
Okay.
Because I didn't leave them up here, so that way nobody can come and steal them and off them.
Okay, I appreciate that. Okay, back up. Just back up. Just back up.
I'm doing. So what happened?
They look like they're my serial numbers. I mean, there's no other way to make the same type of serial pattern without them being mine. Yep. Yep. All right, you got a driveway to turn around in?